These are extraordinary times in the world of education, and we are looking forward to the future for our students with such ambition and such hope and such optimism. So we feel it's really important to actually have a vision over the coming decade. Under the leadership of our Board of Governors, we have created 3 different task forces, each one given responsibility for one of the 3 directions. And each task force is composed of alumni of the CIS community, current parents, and members of our educational team.
Vision 33 is really asking us to tackle a big question. What is the future of CIS? I think parent involvement is absolutely crucial, and I think this is a reflection of our values as a community. The fact that we're all invited and that we all have a voice at the table is really meaningful to me.
There's a lot of things going on, a lot of very exciting things going on, and they're bringing together a lot of passionate individuals who really want to create a difference in a future-oriented school.
It is a community composed by very accomplished people. You have the alumni, and then you have a set of international professionals who can probably offer a variety of contribution to the Vision 33.
因为愿景33其实是我们汉基每个成员的愿景。那不光是校领导啊，或者是老师的，那么这是为我们孩子服务的。所以每一个成员的参与都至关重要。
I think having teachers involved has distinct advantages, and it would be to explore the variety of perspectives that exist amongst the teaching staff, but also to tap into the pedagogical expertise that they have.
Our first meeting, we talked about time and space re-engineered. We really brainstormed ideas of how we could redesign our schedule and our learning spaces.
A different campus or an integrated campus with the larger environment, natural environment, man-made environment. To really think about education in a really different and progressive way is always exciting.
Looking outside of the 4 walls of the classroom, we're looking at green spaces, we're looking at seeing Hong Kong as a kind of like a bigger classroom, if you will. I also really like the idea of the PBL, which is the project-based learning. As an educator myself, I really believe in the process as opposed to the product.
Personalized learning is one that I find extremely interesting, and the fact that we are thinking out of the box in finding new ways to equip the teacher instead of being a knowledge giver, but becoming a facilitator, becoming a coach in activating the students' passion, encourage them to find their own room and space to explore.
其实这代表了学校不单只要求学生有一个成长 growth mindset， 而且我们的学校的管理层老师也有一个成长的这样一个 mindset。
Making connections to community and the ways in which we can share our educational experiences inside and outside of CIS.
I think that there's a lot of innovation going on in the Greater Bay Area. So we're looking towards the GBA dream, we call it, where we have students being part of internships, being part of projects with alumni that can really sort of make a change within the community.
I think I'm personally quite excited by the sustainability one because it starts from a very strong foundation that we have in the school, and also is a topic that whose progress can actually allow us to engage students and around students in understanding the importance of all the elements of sustainability.
These task forces have been very hard at work over the last few months, and will be continuing to work this autumn to refine their proposals and ultimately to submit them to the Board of Governors for final review and approval, so that we're able to share everything about Vision 33 with the CIS community by the time of the Chinese New Year. For us, there's arguably nothing more important than the inclusivity with which we are approaching Vision 33. We really value deeply the extraordinary diversity of views we have within our school, and we feel that in the end, what we are able to create together really must have a sense of shared ownership.